Imagine a device that encapsulates high-end features at a price that doesn't drain your wallet. The Samsung Galaxy. A51 is that smartphone. With its exceptional features and affordability, it's a gadget that truly offers value for money. The Samsung Galaxy. A51 is an impressive piece of technology, powered by the Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. It's a powerhouse that operates at 2.3 GHz, providing optimal performance for all your smartphone needs. To handle all the graphic-intensive tasks, it's equipped with a Mali G72MP3 GPU. The smartphone boasts a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, offering a resolution of 1080 x 2400 FHD+. To protect this stunning display, it's shielded by the tough Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Storage won't be a concern with the device's 128 GB of built-in storage and 12 GB of fast RAM. It's more than enough to store all your important data and files. The Samsung Galaxy. A51 doesn't skimp on the camera department either. It features 4 cameras on the back, with the primary camera boasting a whopping 48 megapixels. The front-facing camera isn't left behind, offering a respectable 32 megapixels for your selfie needs. In terms of connectivity, the A51 offers a multitude of options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC. It also supports 2G, 3G, and 4G bands, ensuring that you're connected wherever you are. The Samsung Galaxy. A51 also ensures that you won't run out of power easily, thanks to its 4000 mAh battery. Plus, it supports fast charging so you can get back to using your phone in no time. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy. A51 is a high-performing, feature-rich smartphone that provides excellent value for money. With its powerful processor, ample storage, impressive camera setup, and long-lasting battery, it's a device that truly stands out in its price range. So why wait? Experience the Samsung Galaxy A51 today.